Welcome to my channel. Thank you for visiting. This is a Youpon Holly. This is an evergreen shrub that's native to coastal areas in the southern United States. It is fairly easy to identify by its light whitish gray smooth trunk and the stems. And it has shiny dark leaves. Both male and female plants make small white flowers in the spring. The female plants makes a toxic berry. This little red berry is toxic and should not be eaten. And this berry will remain on the shrub all winter long, which gives it color in the winter. It's a beautiful plant. This one's about 10 feet high. I've had it about 15 years. It's a beautiful color in the fall. Youpon Holly is the only plant that we know of native to the United States that contains caffeine. Youpon Holly is associated with a few names: the black drink or the white drink. The Spaniards who founded St. Augustine, Florida, learned to drink Youpon tea from the Indians, and they became addicted in the same way lots of us today are addicted to coffee. You can use fresh, dried, or roasted leaves and or the stems to make Youpon tea, but avoid the poisonous berries. It's really easy to harvest the leaves by grabbing the stem near the trunk and sliding your hand outward, stripping them off, or you can just cut the entire stem, which makes air drying easier. You can air dry them, put them in a dehydrator, or you could dehydrate them in the oven by setting your oven on 200 degrees for a few hours. Then you can put 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of Youpon leaves, fresh, dried, parched, or roasted, in one cup of water and allow it to steep for a few minutes before drinking. Use fresh or dried Youpon leaves for a tea that tastes more like green tea. Or use parched or roasted leaves for a smokier tea that tastes more like yerba mate. If you grow this Youpon Holly in the shade, it will allow for the caffeine to spike in the leaves. There are some studies on Youpon Holly extract. I will put some links at the bottom of my page so you can research on your own the effects of the Youpon Holly extract. The tea of the Youpon Holly was also a ceremonial tea for many Indian tribes. Thank you again for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe. Youpon Holly occurs naturally from Texas east to Florida and north to the southern part of Virginia. A favorite habitat comprises maritime forest, salt marshes, and the woods and swamps of the coastal plains at elevations below 500 feet.